The headed handoff is Dominic Esparza. Moves himself up the right side, and ladies and gentlemen, that's good for the Lancers. First down. Tejeda going out wide, keeping himself and running to the outside, and yes, that is good for another Lancers. First down. That's number 44 for the Lancers, Josh Brown, in on the quarterback sack. And off to number 7, Castillo up the outside. And fumble on the play, Lancers recover. Behind. On that punt, number 7, Castillo. And waiting for the official call on the field. And yes, it bounces off the Lancer and the cart. Oh, and the pass is complete. Bringing that ball in, number 7, Vivaldo Castillo. We have a ball on the ground in the backfield, waiting the official's call. And yes, Lancers recover. Hilltop ball. And on that fumble recovery, number 9, Big Chris Gomez. Tejeda's pass is good to Christian Yanez, and that's good for the Lancers. First down. We have a fumble on the field. And yes, Hilltop recovers. Touchdown, Lancers! Dominic Esparza. That's number 6, Christian Yanez, with the punt return all the way down to close to the... Touchdown, Lancers! Tejeda completes the... And that's an interception for the Lancers, number 6, Christian. Touchdown, Lancers! Rasmussen's handoff to number 7, Angel Panetta, rumbling his way up. Touchdown, Lancers! Rasmussen's handoff to number 14, Rodrigo Reyes. Scampers in for another Lancers 6 points. Ladies